If you are trying to monetize a new YouTube channel, well, YouTube just made that significantly more difficult. So you will still need 1,000 subscribers in order to qualify, but you will now need 8,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months in order to qualify. That's double the 4,000 of what it is right now. Or to monetize your shorts, you will now need 20 million shorts views in the last 90 days in order to qualify. Again, that's double the 10 million that the requirement is right now. For a lot of creators, I know this is super frustrating. YouTube is now making it basically twice as hard to get monetized with ad revenue. But the better question to be asking ourselves is, why should we be waiting for an arbitrary number of watch time and subscribers to monetize our YouTube channel when there's many other ways of monetizing it and possibly even better ways than ad revenue? YouTube ad revenue is only one way of monetizing your YouTube channel. And for coaches, consultants, business owners, entrepreneurs, and creator-led businesses, YouTube ad revenue may not even be the best one. For example, a consultant that creates a video can gain one new client out of a video that they post. For a service-based business, they can use YouTube content to book in-person appointments and fill up their calendar. Or you can sell a digital product online that sells for $50 and you sell it to 20 of your viewers. All of those ways do not require you to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program and monetize with ad revenue. The reality is a channel with 500 of the right viewers can make more money than a channel that gets 50,000 views on every video but has an audience that doesn't buy anything. There are really two different games that are being played on YouTube. The first is the media game. You're trying to maximize views, subscribers, and watch time, so that way YouTube sells ad space against your videos and you get paid. The second game is the business game. This is where through your content, you attract the right viewer, you earn their trust, you help identify a problem, you provide them with the solution that is tied to one of your offers. The beautiful thing is you can play both of these games, but when it comes to YouTube ad revenue, they are the ones that are in control, and any of these slight changes that they make with their requirements and their policies can totally affect your plan. So if YouTube ad revenue is your only plan, you're kind of at their mercy. What I'm not trying to say is to stop growing, because subscribers and views, they still matter. But my main recommendation is to build other monetization paths alongside your pursuit of getting monetized via ad revenue. And you don't have to wait, you can start right now. Here are the things that you would need in order to do that. A defined ideal viewer, content around their problems, a relevant offer or service, a clear call to action, and an email list that you own so that you can stay in communication with these potential buyers. If you want to build your YouTube channel in this way, I created a separate video that walks through step-by-step how to create a successful YouTube channel for your business. It'll show you how to create content around your ideal viewers, generate leads, and ultimately monetize your YouTube channel from day one. So click the video on the screen. I'll break everything down in that video. Thanks so much for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.